Welcome back, everyone. We are live. So let's get it going. Let's get it going. It's a nice Tuesday afternoon. We hit the gym today. We've got the electrolyte water by hand. We are ready to roll. Analyze the market, get them nice positions in, and yeah, let's have a look. So we've just got a signal actually 2 minutes ago, pipping by, and that is, let's have a look. These actually signals have been they've been treating us very nicely lately. So if you guys want the same signals I'm getting, link is down in the description below. Make sure you take advantage of it. And it's a long position, so entry price was 1666, 1645. Currently we're at 1655. So that's literally kind of the midpoint of this potential entry position. So we are obviously going to long. We are going to long for that. Let me just open up MetaMask so I can get this popping. Right. Oops. I think my position was a little bit too large. We're gonna go TP3. We're not gonna do too crazy. We'll go TP3. Actually, I mean, we could even go TP. We could even go TP2. So 0.017 166. Oh my days. Why did I short? I do not know. It was a long position anyway. 0.01 1757. That's TP3. Stop loss, we'll put it below these lows just there. Right, what else have we got? Pudgy Penguins. I actually do enjoy trading Pudgy Penguins. Pudgy Penguins have actually given us some very, very nice trades previously. So yeah, we've done very nicely on those actually. Pengu. Right, entry point is, we'll have a look if we've still got a potential to come in for the entry. 59.7, 59.2, 59.5. Yes, we still have room to enter this position. We'll keep it relatively mediocre. It's also a long position, so let's not get that mixed up. We'll also go for TP3, 0.006219. 6219, there we go. And stop loss, yeah, let's put it above that, below that low. I mean, that is a 3-to-1 ratio. Give or take. It's a relatively large position though. It is a relatively large position. We'll have a look at Bitcoin. 30-minute time frame. We've actually analysed the market very, very nicely these past couple of sessions. I've actually been pretty surprised at my own massive skill. Welcome everyone that's joined. I've got to fix a couple bits here and there, and we'll get straight into it. 1 second. There we go, there's one done, get rid of that, and then this one as well. For some reason it didn't let me go live, so I had to kind of, it said like it's kind of waiting or something, I don't know. But Yeah, we should be good. We should be good now. All right, let's have a look. Right, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna refresh that chart because it's, I don't know, crashed out or something. I'll have a look. Let's start a 30-minute time frame. I mean, initially we are bullish. Initially we are bullish. From Bitcoin, we are bullish. Right, news-wise. Like, I'm gonna give you what we've got from 12 o'clock. Former CENTCOM commander Jen Frank McKenzie said the US should consider seizing Iran's Karg Island. Karg Island handles 90% of oil of Iran's oil exports. I mean, there was actually mentioning of taking over that region previously. UK calls to straight up on moves reopening without tolls or charges. I mean, what's the UK gonna do? Honestly, UK is cooked anyway. Saudi Arabia purchased 47.2 million in drones from Taiwan last month. Ukraine Prime Minister Yulia resigns. US President Trump says Iran will never have a nuclear weapon. I mean, he's said that a million times now. Come on. It's a little bit boring now. A little bit boring, honestly. A little bit boring. Right, what we got? US inflation falls to 3.5%, lower, lower than expectations. What else have we got? The US has issued 81 billion refund after the Supreme Court ruled President Trump's tariffs illegal. Crazy. Right, anyway, we are bullish since US market open. You guys can see that. Obviously, previously, before the US market open, which was that time was about 3:30, where we actually had 3:30 core CPI month on month, year by year, month on month CPI, and you can see these were better than expected. So you can see forecast was for 3.8% and actual was 3.5. They were all better. Actually, no. All right, so I think that is slightly better, right? Yeah, I mean it's lower, obviously. Down 0.4%, down 2.6. Previously, 2.8. So yeah, overall, they are seeing better results, better data, and as a result of that, you guys can see that news came out at 3:30, and let's have a look at Bitcoin at 3:30. So this is the candle that we saw at 3:30, very, very bullish. So we moved from a price of around, let me have a look. Well, initially we moved from, let's just go from this high there. We moved 2% in the space of half an hour maybe, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, maybe 50-ish minutes. Yeah, you can see initially from 3:30, very bullish candle there. Slight consolidation, then we kind of continued and we dropped slightly at the US market open, which was just here, right there. And then we dropped slightly and now we are bullish. I believe I'm gonna see a continuation. I believe we'll see that continuation. You can see momentum is slightly for the downside now. We've not made a higher high in price. You can see price moved. Oh, we've actually closed higher, I believe. Or maybe the same exact price range. Let's have a look at liquidity, actually. Where have we got liquidity? Let me open Glint so we can be on track with our... What? My access has ended. So now what, I have to pay for access? Is it really? Yeah, they've actually done that. Bastards. What was I gonna have a look at? What was I gonna have a look at? That's it. Liquidity. 64.4k. 64.4k. And then we've got more building in the upside as well. ETH flows. Oh, that is a lot more than expected. I've actually not had a look at outflows today. That's my first initial reaction from the outflows I've actually seen, but of course, Bitcoin is holding up pretty well, like we've just seen. Obviously, despite the conflict and outflows, somehow we're still seeing a bullish movement for Bitcoin, which is pretty crazy. Right. Yes, GREMR. Listen to this guy. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. That would be greatly appreciated. Everyone smash them buttons. Everyone smash them buttons. There's 7 of you. I want to see 7 likes right now. Or I'm gonna, I don't know. Right, we've got some bullish movement. Dominance for Bitcoin, you can see 58% overall. Others would be like, I don't know, meme coins, other cryptocurrencies, Solana, everything that we have available. Get rid of that. Leave that. So, I'll have a look on the book map as well. Right. Where have we got? Let's have a look. Where have we got this liquidity sitting? I swear, YouTube is like insanely cooked right now with adverts. So every time I don't know, I'm chilling at home, I want to watch something. 3 adverts at the start of the video, 2 in the middle, or I don't know, like 10 in the middle. So it's like 2 at the start, 2 in the middle, 2 at the end, or you know, whatever. But it's too much. It is too much. Right, let's have a look. What have we got going on? 64.8k. We've got 63.6k and 63.8k. We've got a very bullish candle there. We've just swept it. We've just swept that liquidity. Could we come even higher? Maybe 65k. Could we come higher? Maybe 65k. So we've just actually hit TP4 on that Bitcoin trade that we had at 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. until now, which is about 6:30, that trade has hit TP4. That is insane. That is also for Bitcoin trade, that is a 2.76% profit. And then we've hit TP1 on Polkadot. That's a 1.09% profit. So we're looking good. What are we? Have we just seen a very bullish move? Yes, we have. We are pumping right now. We are literally pumping. I believe, maybe not. I was thinking we'd obviously see both of those trades within profit, but for some reason, we're not really seeing too much of a correlation. Actually, we might be. What, the 3 bullish candles there, and then we look at Bitcoin, 1, 2, 3, kind of the same move, but it's not seeing the downside. Question is now, where are we coming to? Where are we actually coming to? Maybe 65k. I mean, that liquidity cluster there, 65k, does suggest to me we may see a move to 65k. we could realistically come in on the next kind of dip, rejection, whatever you want to call it. Once we see that rejection, look at that Pudgy Penguin just absolutely blew up. Well, not quite blow up, but yeah, it made it in a pretty nice move right there. It's still bullish though. Pippin as well. Pippin's actually not moving too crazy. Pippin's not moving too crazy. I think Bitcoin is pumping right now. Bitcoin is, oh my days, look at that. Look at that move. Holy moly. I mean, news-wise, we've not even had anything happen. The next kind of thing we may expect is 7:40 and then 8 p.m. Maybe something a little bit influential on that side, but overall, I'm not really expecting too much. It is obviously like yellowy orange. I mean, it's yellow. Obviously, a bit more critical, you'll be looking orange than red. Red is kind of the ones we want to see. They're kind of the, you know, impactful moves. But yeah, overall, price is volatile. Volatility has returned. Volatility has returned. You can see we were just down we were just in profit of 150. Now it's 300 already. Crazy, look at that. And both of these trades are from our signal group. How good is that? Like, you guys can literally sit there. I'm literally giving it to you guys on a plate. Like, I'm literally handing you it. You've got a funded trading. I think every single one of you's got a 50 USDT to your name. I'm not pushing you, but it's a good opportunity. Free signals, a massive funded trading account for, you know, the entry class we actually, you know, come in with, like we do here. You can see entry 50 USDT for a 1.5k account, and the best thing about it is 0% profit share. And then you look in the description of the live trading session, and we have a free trading group in that description box. You join the channel, you have a look at some trades. I don't know, you're skeptical, but you could just, I don't know, look at them, see how they play out, multiple ones, see how they play out. But I've been doing very nicely on them, I'm not gonna lie. I've been doing very nicely. Down 84 million bucks? I don't think so. We just crashed out a little bit there. Now I said 84k anyway, but right, we're slightly bearish now, but I feel like we are going to go to 65k. I feel like we are going to go to 65k. What do you guys think? Are we going to 65k today? Well, let me know. Click them buttons. Click them buttons. Yes or no? Are we going to 65k today? Yes or no? Let me know. Let me know. I mean, that buying pressure is insane. I don't know. It's like I want to come in, but then again, if price came to kind of this area, then I'd be looking for the upside. That's what I'd want to see. I'd want to see price coming in that level, and then I'd be looking for a long position. Currently, I feel like we're a little bit too overbought, so I feel like the move will actually die down a little bit before we actually, you know, continue coming to 65k plus. Liquidity-wise, there is actually new positions sitting at 65k though. 65k does look like a very nice area to actually come for. Yeah, you can see 65k there. That is fresh liquidity as well. Well, I mean, we've nearly touched upon it already. 65.9k. So I think we are going to get the sweep. We are going to get the sweep. Yeah, we're looking good. I'm gonna come in for a small position, catch that liquidity there. A little bit of profit, give us a little bit of profit. So, Wales, extremely bullish, mid, very bullish, retail, bullish. Let's have a look. Squeaky chair. I'm not fighting, promise. It's just pipping. It's just pipping right now. Alright, I feel like we'll see a move to the upside on Sui once we get to this lower range. We are slowly making those higher lows. You can see slightly higher low there. We could experience maybe at this level, But then again, momentum has only just shifted. Let's have a look at the let's have a look at MACD, get that back. Yeah, you can see momentum has only just shifted from kind of this area here. So we may actually come potentially deeper, but we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, liquidity still sat there, Next area we'll be looking for will be 65.6k. If we look on the book map, yeah, there's actually quite a lot of liquidity sat in this upside. So yeah, 65k, 65.6k. There's more positions being made. We kind of want to see them first, kind of whitish candles, and then we'll kind of come in for the position. I'll give it a couple minutes, and then we'll have a look. We're looking oversold. We're looking oversold now. Are we going to get this continuation for Bitcoin now? That price is dropping. That price is dropping right now. movement isn't actually that sharp. There we go. Let's come in for that position there. We'll see if we can sweep those highs and come in for an even nicer move for the upside. I'm not gonna lie, I did think we was gonna get a continuation from this current area right now already, but we didn't get it, unfortunately. We've just come in for that crossover though. That may signal a deeper downside, but then again, buyers could step in. Buyers could step in. Buying pressure is getting weaker though, you can see it kind of dies off there. Let's have a look how bullish we can actually be today. A very nice candle there. So he's already 121 in profit. There we go. Bitcoin's now within profit as well. It's a very, very strong candle. I want to say very, very strong, but obviously it is pretty strong. I look at that movement again. We're already pushing. We're already pushing. Sui, 130 profit. You can see that's a very nice entry. That's almost a sniper entry. That is very nice to see. Yeah, Bitcoin has dropped a little bit though. Rejection there. I feel like we've got quite a lot of selling pressure in this area. But obviously the continuation is still kind of up for grabs. Continuation is still up for grabs. So Doge and Doge hit TP4, 3.63% profit. Atom hit TP1, that is a 0.93% profit, and then Bonk also just hit TP1, which is a 2.31% profit. So these trades are just profit after profit right now. Looking nice, looking nice. Every once in a while we actually do get kind of a losing trade, but it's okay. It's okay. Look at that, 212. Now 170 for Sui. 199. 199. We are still pushing. We are still pushing. 225 in profit right now, and we're still pushing. Still bullish. Still bullish. $311. I mean, this could be up to 1K in like the space of what? I don't know, in the next 10 minutes. Maybe in the next 10 minutes we get a 1K trade already. Look, nearly 500 in profit. Nearly up to 500 in profit. 420, 45, 500 there. 520. Looking good. Looking good. Slight rejection there. Slight rejection. Dun dun dun. I mean, Pudgy Penguins within profit. Pippin slightly within a loss. Sui's doing good. That Sui position was very nice. Look at that. That is a insane entry. Look at that move. That is almost a sniper entry. I mean, that trade itself, we could be up to like, I don't know, 1K. We're already at 340. Already 340. Momentum has shifted as well. We are looking good for this upside area. We are looking pretty nice right now. I don't know why this MACD kind of always keeps on, I don't know, disappearing, but there we go. Let's have a look. Yep, the momentum only has just shifted. Only just shifted. So, slight rejection. Can we continue this upside? Can we continue this upside? What do you guys think? Are we gonna get 65K for Bitcoin today? Are we gonna get 65 for Bitcoin today? Let me know, let me know. Let me know. $65K is what I want to see. I don't want to see this downside. I do not want to see this downside. Look, Bitcoin in profit, Sui within profit, Pudgy Penguins within profit, and now Pippin's within profit. Very nice. Very nice. We want to sweep this high though right now. We want to sweep this high. We want to sweep this high. Oh, slight rejection. $260. I mean, we've made a lower high, which maybe could give us an indication that we could potentially continue even lower, but I don't want to see it. I don't want to see that downside. I don't want to see that downside. Let's continue for this push. Let's continue for this push. But yeah, let me know, guys, if we are going to hit 65K today. What do you guys think? Yes or no? 65K. 65K? Maybe, maybe not. Fair index for crypto is currently 22. Yeah, slight rejection there, as you can see. Not what I wanted to see, actually. Ooh. I mean, that entry was good while it lasted. It was good while it lasted. Now we are within a nasty loss. But yeah, we're still looking for the positive. Still looking for them positives. Ooh, 455. That's literally what was the kind of within profit of. So we do have the game tonight at 10 o'clock. Spain versus France. I reckon France have got it. France have got this in the bag. There's no chance we're going to see Spain winning that. France has been dominating everyone. France has been dominating everyone. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, the potential ROI on this Pudgy Penguins trade is actually 3k. We've got, obviously, in the upside there, 3.2k to a 1.2k loss. So, yeah, overall, we are still looking okay. But, well, realistically, we need to see Bitcoin continue this push for the upside. Maybe we come to kind of the mid-range and then we start moving again. Or not, I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see that liquidity is still there, 65k. 65k is still sat there. So we just actually came slightly below. Right there. 64,918. So we are super close to that 65k level. I think we're down about maybe 1k now. Yeah, Bitcoin took a pretty nasty drop, but it's okay. It's okay. We're still looking for them for this upside. Actually, how this price is currently moving to the downside, we could potentially catch on a move when we see kind of Bitcoin bottoming out. So when we see Bitcoin bottoming out, we could potentially come in for, I don't know, maybe a Ethereum trade or Athena to kind of make up for this kind of gap that we still have here. Well, we're still overall expecting the upside, but we actually have the opportunity to kind of cover this whole area that we've got here. So we actually did just dip into the oversold zone. Now we'll actually see if we can get a continuation, or maybe we, continue even deeper. There's actually an equal amount of liquidity for both sides. 86.23, 86.23. So yeah, both sides have got a very equal amount of liquidity. Currently, I am expecting price to continue a little bit lower, and then we start pushing back up. So currently, you can see we've now dipped into past the neutral zone of 50. Right, we'll come in at this area here. $35. Let's look at Athena. I mean, it's very risky, but no risk, no reward. No risk, no reward. Let's see. We'll put a stop loss for Ethereum just below those lows. Overall, we are expecting to see the continuation. We'll have a look at Ethereum's liquidity actually as well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, 89.92. Looks like the downside potentially right there. Yeah, 89.92. It's right there. But we do have more positions waiting. You can see we've came to that area as well for Ethereum, which is 1,888, and we've just kind of rejected from it. We have 80 million sat there. Same for Bitcoin. We've came to liquidity zone. You can see slightly missed it and rejected. Yeah, but it's 65k that we're looking for with Bitcoin right now. 65k is what we're looking for. So let's see Bitcoin pushing. Let's see the Bitcoin pushing. Does it look like momentum shifting? Let's have a look. Yes, slightly. You can see it's starting to. We're starting to see the move. You can see Athena's already within profits. Ethereum should be in a second as well. Well, potentially, yeah. Well, those trades will be within profit once we start this move for the upside. You can see it's getting lower and lower, that kind of peak. So it does look like we are shifting right now. $8.30. Let's see the push. Let's see the push. Yeah, if you guys want to get some very nice trades for yourselves, there is that link down below. Completely free, you don't have to pay anything at all. And then the free funded trading as well. So 50 USDT entry, 1.5k account, 0% profit share. You have to share that with anyone. You keep that in your pocket. All there for you guys to check out. Both links down in the description. Check it out. There we go. Very bullish, very bullish. Have we started this move yet? We're not even crossed over. Momentum is still not even shifted and we're already bullish. Very big candle there, very bullish candle there. You can see Ethereum's within profit. Athena not so much. Athena's actually seen the downside a little bit. Let's see this continuation. I mean, this potentially may even be a downside. We're failing for this upside right now. We are failing for this upside. I mean, you guys can see for yourselves, I mean, there's some rejection already. Already seeing some rejection. I mean, momentum hasn't entirely shifted, so yeah, there is potential that we do continue for the upside, but also there's potential we don't. There we go. There's a slight move, but I want to clear those highs. That would give me a nicer indication that this move is actually going to be happening. So I believe we just got some signals. Pump fund buy. Let's have a look. Pump fund. So look at that massive dump right now. Entry point 14.6, 14.5. Currently we're at 14.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.2. We'll enter about 5.17. We could enter here realistically. Bro, why does it do that? Yeah, that pressure is dying off right now. And we're looking to go to 7 positions open right now. Pump 4, we'll go TP2. Let's not get too crazy. 0.001498, 1498. That's still a very reasonable profit as well. Currently the biggest loss that we've got right now is on for Pudgy Penguins. As you guys can see, pretty heavy, pretty heavy. Yeah, we're just rejected. We have just rejected from that area. That's crazy. 1.1k. 1.1k down, but it's okay. It's okay. This move is going to be still pushing. We are eventually going to see the upside. Let's have a look then. Shall we? Shall we? pushed back. We've pushed back. Well, let's see this upside. Let's see this upside. Very slow price action right now. Super, super slow. Yeah, everything's within a loss right now, but it's okay, it's okay. It is okay. There we go. We're out of the 1K loss. We're out of the 1K loss. There we go. Slightly within profit now. What's making our most? Sui's doing us wonders today. Let's have a look. Is it back in that level? It's had a big push, but then a big rejection as well. Big rejection. Bitcoin is struggling. Bitcoin is currently struggling very much right now. Bitcoin is struggling right now. There we go. Slight push, slight push. $425 right now, 425. Not too much going on, honestly. Bitcoin's just trying to break this level right now. That's where we kind of in a standstill. There we go, 1K. 1K in profit, 1K in profit. I mean, Bitcoin right now hasn't even touched upon that sell side liquidity that we had at 61,244, I believe it was. Are you trading with Shoulder? Where are you from? I'm from Latvia. Yes, I am trading with Shoulder. Leverage, you mean? These are currently the position that we have. Pump Fund 20x leverage, Pudgy Penguins 20. Everything is 20x leverage right now. I've not kind of, attempted to go higher within leverage. I don't know, it's just not really too safe. Not really too safe. It's a little bit too risky to kind of go all out for, a massive amount of leverage. But yeah, not too bad right now, not too bad. We are pushing right now. What's budget you started trading journey? I'd say like 2K. But if you obviously want to trade as well, pretty much there is a good opportunity here on Everdex. So we have funded trading available. So if you want to trade, you can do. Pretty much this is the entry. So $50, 50 USDT is the entry amount. So obviously you claim it, and then you get a 1.5K account which you can trade with. So that kind of eliminates the risk of you risking your own capital, your own funds, and gives you a nice opportunity to trade. So everything you make on that account is entirely yours. You don't have to share it, you don't have to give it away. It's yours. It's all yours. So yeah, I mean, it's all there for you guys. And then there's a free signal group in the description. I use the signals myself. For example, let me show you. For example, Pippin Trade, Pudgy Penguins Trade, and Pump Fund Trade are all from that group. So obviously we are still expecting a lot more in profit, but market is a little bit choppy right now. But we'll see the profit. We'll see the profit eventually. We will see that profit eventually. So yeah, we're kind of got to wait it out for now. But overall, we're still looking very nice. Very nice. Slight move to the downside there. Not too bad though, not too bad. We're still looking for the upside. We're still looking for the upside. What have we got? So it looks like the group has obviously seen a possible move for the downside. So we have just closed that Pump Fund trade. So now we are looking for a sell on Pump Fund. So let's have a look. Pump Fund. PUM. Have you done any courses or everything by your own? I've pretty much done it by myself. Pretty much done it by myself. Obviously there was courses that I did. It wasn't like anything big, it was just like YouTube stuff. So yeah, I mean, I've done it all myself and you can see it's paid off very well. It's paid off very well. What was I gonna do? Right, Pump Fund sell, Pump Fund sell. Entry price was, let me have a look, 14,714. 146 to 147. 146 to 147. I'll be coming for a shot about here then. And we'll be looking for, we'll go TP3, 1412. Take profit 0.00, 1412. There we go. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. I mean, if we see the upside, I mean, look at that. We've seen a slight movement. Like, the movement is so small. It's a very small movement right now. Ideally, we want to see a move back up for the upside so we could potentially maybe close these positions, because right now, they're not looking too good. Right now, they're not looking too good. I'm not looking to obviously continue even deeper, but we'll see, we'll see. We will see. What Sui's moving down, Pump Fun, pushing. How does that make sense then? How many trades per day usually? It depends. It could be 10, it could be 20, it could be 3, it could be 5. It all kind of depends on the market really. But yeah, sometimes we get more, sometimes we get less. But yeah, overall, kind of, I'd say on average, I'd say I'd like 10 a day, something like that. Right, let's come within some profit, maybe this high, and then we'll most likely come outside of that trade because we are looking a little bit bad on that trade. I'm not gonna lie, not too good, not too good. Oh my days, look at that pump fund trade. It's all over the place. I reckon Sui might come to our entry price and then we'll most likely get the downside. I'm going to close that Ethereum trade though. And then Bitcoin too, now that it's in profit slightly. Oh, not this again. Or we could reject from this area now. I mean, overall for Bitcoin, we're just consolidating. We're literally just consolidating. I mean, Pump Fun has pushed back up all the way there. way. Oh my god, we're actually so bullish right now, but then on all these trades we're bearish. Like, come on. Nah, that's too much. That's way too much. No way. Honestly, there's no way we've actually moved so explosively to this upside. Honestly, that's crazy. That is crazy. I actually didn't even expect, how long have we been trading, like 2 years? I actually didn't expect such a bullish move, but out of nowhere we just started pushing. We literally just started pushing out of nowhere. I mean, we're not even seeing that much movement. Lower, higher. Pudgy Penguins is cooking us right now. I mean, we did drop slightly. We're on Sui right now. I mean, I should have realistically saw that pattern. I should have seen that pattern, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we're just coming for the crossover. I believe we'll make a higher high now though. An even higher high. Let's have a look. I mean, there's not been much confidence for Sui now and Pudgy Penguins to potentially see this upside. There's not been much confidence at all. It's all kind of died down. It's literally all kind of died down. Honestly, the market is all over the place right now. Literally all over the place. I'll cancel that. I feel like I'll see Sui pushing even deeper though. unless this is a low, and then we could see the next high in this kind of price range, and maybe pushing even higher. It's a maybe though, it's a maybe for now. It's a maybe for now. I want to see Pudgy Penguins and Sui come in within slight profit, and then I will most likely be looking for the downside after that. But we are currently bullish. You can see those higher lows, higher highs. We've actually not made a higher high here. Well, no, we have actually. We have slightly though, slightly. So we may even be coming in for that 65k liquidity, and then potentially kind of shifting for that downside. So right now, not too much price action going on. Look at that. Pump fund is super bullish right now. No way we missed that. If we just kind of waited it out, that would have been, oh, that would have been amazing. Yeah, Bitcoin is super bullish right now. I feel like we'd see price dropping from this level though. 62k looks insane right now. No, 64.2k. 64.2k looks very, very crazy right now. I feel like right now we'll go to 65k and then we'll dump from there. That's kind of my take on what we might see in these next couple of minutes. Let's have a look. We are within a slight loss right now though. Pippin is bullish. Pippin is within profit. Pudgy Penguins slightly below entry level. Slightly below entry level. But overall we're still looking for the upside. Slightly though, slightly. Yes, not much movement again now. Not much movement again. Honestly, I mean, I wish I could tell you guys more, but currently price is literally not even moving right now. Price is literally not moving. Not moving at all. I mean, we're pushing even higher now. We are pushing even higher. 4 hour time frame still looks good. 4 hour time frame still looks pretty good. We've got buy side liquidity at 65.5k. Let's have a look at that liquidity. You can see we are still moving in for that 65k level. Still moving in for that 65k level. Even though I've obviously had the outflows, I'm actually surprised how well Bitcoin is actually holding up. But I feel like if we actually came to 65.5k, then we may potentially see an even larger move for the upside. Where was I looking at? But the downside looks a lot better. 64.2k, 63.6k. Those levels look a lot stronger than that 65 point, whatever it is, 65.5k. $737. So FOMC member Barr speaks. Due to speak about artificial intelligence and the Federal Reserve Board Next Gen Financial Inclusion Conference. What do you think of the DC audience? Questions expected. More hawkish than expected good for currency. Let's see what he has to say. We'll see what he has to say. Yeah, we just dropped again. Sui's ass right now. Yeah, I feel like I'll have to close that. Right, I've closed all in positions then. I feel like Sui will see the downside to continue though. Yep, that's exactly what it looks like right now. Can we expect a drop off for Bitcoin? From this area right now. I mean, it's not strong. It's not too strong at all. It's not too strong at all. Pudgy penguins. I felt we'd see a deeper downside for them as well. I feel like we'd see a deeper downside as well. What are you doing? Well, that trade looks risky as hell. Well, for you it might do, I don't know. Yo bro, I'm a beginner. What are you doing, bro? I'm trading, what do you mean? Trading. We're already seeing a little bit of profit, but overall, you can see the structure for SUI, very bearish, very bearish. You can see, very bearish right now. Yeah, overall, I'm still expecting to see a downside for SUI, potentially coming to this previously supported area. We could realistically put TP there, to be fair. Are we shorting Ethereum or what? Let's have a look. I think once we get to 65k for Bitcoin, then we can be looking for short positions. I felt the pressure for the upside right now is too much. So once we get to 65k, then I may potentially be looking for the downside. You can see 65k is what we want to see price coming to. It's not a lot though. It's not a lot at all. It's 1875. You can see 65k there, and then for Ethereum 1888. So currently 1874. 1888 is what I want to be seeing price coming to. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's slowly bullish, slowly bullish. I will come in for a short position at 65k for Bitcoin. 65k for Bitcoin. Like 4k there. And then as for Ethereum would be 1888. 4k as well. Right there. Unless we obviously start dropping for the downside right now, then yeah, I mean that move would kind of be missed, but it's okay. What have we got? Pump Fun, Teo. $204.13, 202.606, 204.12. We could enter about there actually, or even there. That would be even better. 203.03, 203, yeah, 202.6 is kind of the lowest. We could enter there. 202. We'll just enter 203. Limit 203 for a long. For TP2, 207. 208 actually, 208. So that's the limit position as well. We've got 3 limit positions right now, waiting. So we've obviously got, well, we are currently within a position on a SUI. Then we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BitSaw waiting to be claimed. Obviously, we're not going to come in for the position on Bitcoin just yet, as we could still see a move for that upside. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see it's still kind of slowly coming to that liquidity level at 65k. So once we get 65k, that is kind of where I think we're going to see a sharp move for the downside afterwards. So yeah, let's keep our eyes open and expect a move down to, or below 65k. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. NYX hits EP2. Very nice, very nice. That's Bitcoin. It seems to be dropping though. I don't even know if we'll come in for 65k now. I mean, we've not broken any lows, so the possibility is obviously still definitely there. Definitely there. Sui is actually not even seeing that much profit considering we are dipping, we are dropping right now. But Sui is not seeing it. Sui is not seeing the downside. I mean, I'm expecting to break those lows though. What as we had Teo, isn't it? Teo. Very close to that entry position. Very close. Very close. I bought Ethereum out of 1550. Should I sell some now and buy later? What do you think? I mean, 1550 is insane. Not even joking. 1550 is like insane. I mean, that's looking at a 4-hour time frame. You must have been holding that position for quite some time. 1550. That's literally near this lows. Well, that's kind of the all-time low ever since. I know here we had 14 something. I'm not sure. Depends on the market. I can't give you any financial advice. Personally, if I was in a position from 1550 and I'd say, I don't know, I mean like maybe 20k profit, I'd probably close the trade, I'm not gonna lie. Currently, judging from what we've seen today, I believe we will see a move at least back up to, well, back down to about 1828. Because, well, the move is insane. Like, look at the candle size, it's insane. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, been holding for 3 weeks now. I mean, that's dedication. That's a long time to obviously hold a very long time to hold a position. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like we could continue even higher right now. Obviously, it all depends on how we go in these coming days. If we obviously see things starting to get better, then yeah, we may be getting better. But obviously seeing price come to about 67k, then potentially 70, and then back up to 80 plus. Just now opened a short position on Velvet. What do you think how it will go? Velvet? What on earth is that? Short. You've opened a short from here. I'm not too sure. It's a bit hard to tell because 9 AM today it was at 0.65 and now it's at 0.53 with a low of 0.51. Well, 40, actually 49. I don't know. I mean, it does look okay for a potential downside. I'm not sure. I can't really give my take on it as I don't even know what a Velvet is. Like I've never even heard of it in my life. I'm not gonna lie. Some people are suggesting that it could go to $1 in price. They've got some kind of level at 0.88, so there could be a continuation for the upside. But maybe, I don't know. Like I said, I can't really give you my take on it as I've got no clue what it is. No clue what it is. Never traded it, never done it. What the fuck is Velvet? Bro is trading Memecoin. I mean, yeah, we've got some pretty good meme coins in Everdex, I'm not gonna lie. We've got obviously the standard, what have we got? Fartcoin, Doge, Pudgy Penguins, Bonk, Pippin, Doge. There's a lot of good ones. But yeah, not bad. We're 91 in profit on the Sui. I don't think Sui's actually broken for this downside yet. Slightly, but it's seeing a lot of rejection though. It's kind of just consolidating. Maybe we'll start shifting for the upside. Currently, it's a very strange move in this market right now. Very strange move. We'll wait for some signals potentially from the group, and then we'll kind of go from that. We'll go from there. These wires are getting all over my feet. 202 in profit on Pudgy Penguins right now though. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm trying to change my exchange. I live in EU. Do you have any good things? Oh, I mean, bro, we've got crazy things. We've got prize pools. We've got AI trading, bot trading. You can win iPhones. You can win Apple Watches, smart, what else? AirPods as well. We've got funded trading as well, you can see. So with a 50 USDT entry, you get a 1.5k account. Instant payout, no profit share, no challenges, max drawdown 3%. If you want to obviously get a little bit more of an account, then the entry is a little bit bigger, you can see. So these are all of the accounts that we have available. Definitely, the link is down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can do. I mean, this one is very attractive. I say it's a good opportunity for everyone to kind of get in the market, you know, get a good feel. What courses as well. So the Prime courses obviously do have a little fee of $35 a month, where we have these are Prime. So we've got crypto beginner level, crypto digital asset trading, general finance, personal branding, affiliate marketing beginner. That's actually free. If you guys want to check out, completely free, this one and this one as well. Affiliate marketing pro, completely free. Lead to quantum success, that's a Prime. TikTok mastery, 0 to influencer, that's also Prime. And then these two as well, Instagram growth hacking and YouTube success formula, they are included in the Prime. So there are some that are free. So these ones, FX fundamentals, affiliate marketing beginner, and affiliate marketing pro. And then competitions. I don't think we have any kind of crazy competitions currently going on, but we do have like beginner ones where you can go like, you get rewards for, you know, everything. Then we have trade rating, like here you can see I'm #1, MVP, and then what else do we have? Competitions. Here we had prize pools, challenges. This is like I said, iPhones, AirPods, Apple Watches. No, I mean those are the rules. Those are literally all the rules that there is. It doesn't get better than that. It doesn't get better than that. Instant payout, 0% profit share, no challenges. Max leverage 3x though. Max leverage is 3x. But yeah, it's a good opportunity for you guys to come and trade. So yeah, if you fancy it, link is down below. Link is down below. Right, where are we at? What have we got? Sui. Yeah, we're pushing down for this TP. $170 in profit right now. $170 in profit. Looking good, looking good. $190 still on Sui. Not much movement though. Not too much movement for now. There we go. We're nearly hitting TP. We're actually coming very close to TP. Can I look at Teo? Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, I'm in a long position potentially. Oh, look, we are so close to that long position. So it's waiting there at 203. 203 is where we have that position waiting for us. So we have just got a signal actually, guys. River USDT buy. So we are going to enter that trade. There we go. That position's been taken now. Good, good, good. Right, so we've got river position. I'm not sure what we're looking like though. River buy 3.38, 3.34, 3.34, just about here. We'll come in for here though. We'll come in at this position. We'll go to TP2. 3.46. I just missed out on that whole move because I was in a market and I was in a limit entry, unfortunately. Right, so Sui nearly just hit TP. Look at that. Oh my days, we got edged. We got absolutely edged right there. What the helly? What the helly? We got absolutely edged, oh my days. Look at that river trade though. We've just entered and we're already up 200. What the hell? No way. That's actually crazy. We've literally just entered that position. Like, obviously you guys saw it for yourselves. Like, we literally just entered the position. Insane, 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 insane. $450 in profit right now. $450 in profit right now. I mean, there's potential for that Sui trade to start shifting for the upside. I feel like I'm gonna close it. I'm just gonna close it there just to be safe. Still a nice profit though. Still a nice profit. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. River's doing good. Teo is slightly below our level, but I am expecting it to start shifting for the upside. You can see this is the previously supported area there, and there as well. So yeah, I would like to see the upside. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Slight downside, but we're not worried. We're not worried yet. We're not worried just yet. I'm not sure if we actually had a Teo buy. 204, 134, 202, 606. Yeah, this is the entry from before as well, 202.606. And you can see how price has actually moved on that level. Currently on Teo, let's have a look. Yeah, currently on Teo, we haven't hit any TP, not TP1, not TP2. So this trade is still valid from 7:15. So 45 minutes ago, this trade was obviously published in the group. So obviously, if you guys want the same signals as I'm getting, down below, click that link. Free Telegram group for anyone who wants to join, completely free, you don't have to pay anything. Very nice and accurate trades on there as well. Obviously, every single trade isn't going to go through because, well, that just doesn't exist. But yeah, some very nice. We've actually made some very nice profits on those signals. So yeah, it's very, very nice to see. Very nice to see. $270. Look at that river is pushing. Look at that. We'll put TP a little bit higher though, because that price moving right there, it's crazy. Crazy. Teo, what's Teo doing? Right, what have we got for TP? TP2 was 208. Let's give it a reasonable profit to loss ratio, so we don't actually, we just kind of minimize our risk of, losing that trade. We'll go just there, and what is that? 3.45. We'll go 5 to 1 actually, 5 to 1. Or do 4 to 1? A little bit of movement. Give it a little bit of movement. 1.2k. River's pushed slightly, but not too much, not too much. Since we last obviously had a look, not too much. Not good for Teo though. Teo is still bearish for some reason. Look at that. Lots of bearish movement there. Lots of bearish volume. Not what I want to be seeing. Not what I want to be seeing at all. I mean, there is potential we get stopped out right here though, but we'll see, we'll see. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it at all. Is he going to start pushing or not? Because this price action right now is killing me. This price action right now is killing me. Well, I wish I could tell you guys more, but right now we're just literally waiting for price to start pushing its upside. Not too much going on, honestly. Not too much going on. Slight movement though. Very slow though, very slow right now. Price so slow. So incredibly slow. Oh my god. Did everyone else just see that? Oh my days. Mustafa, what do you think of that? What do you think of that move? I mean, I feel like we could get a bounce from these previous lows. You can see previously we've got a supported level here. You can see price supported here, here, and then here again. You can see a slight breakthrough, but looks like a fake out right now. I mean, I'd still hold it. I would still hold it. Never to touch here again. Yeah, it's not looking good for me. Anyway, that was crazy. Honestly, that was insane. That was insane. Right. Anyway, back to it. So, what are we looking at? I mean, Teo's actually just started moving for the upside. I think there was a lot of pressure building, and then, well, eventually, from what we saw, well, this is exactly what we just saw. A big push for the downside, but then we got rejected. You guys can see how we pretty much just got faked out, and now we are pushing. But obviously, if we push steadily for the upside, then yeah, we will be okay. But if we see maybe a clear of that previous low, then I feel like it's a no-go. It's a no-go. We are pushing though. We are pushing right now. I'm currently waiting for some signals from the group. So, yeah, I'll give it a bit of time. We'll give it a bit of time, and then yeah, we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. Currently, not a lot of movement. Not a lot of movement. We do get like kind of the impulsive candle every now and then, but then it's not really much. It's not really much. There we go, we've got something. River buy. Oh, that was at 8 PM. So currently, we've only hit TP1 for River. So I've already hit TP1. I think my entry, well, my entry was good, but then my TP, I think it's TP3. 3.53, yeah, 3.54 there. So it's just slightly above TP3. But right now we're looking good. We're looking good for River. Let's have a look where Bitcoin is. It's still not claimed that 65k level. It's still not came for that 65k level. I'm pretty surprised actually that we haven't seen a move to that downside area just yet. But yeah, we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. $4.16. Should be about 500 in profit very soon. Very soon. I mean, taking us all the way up to TP3 or whatever we are at, that would give us around 1.2k in profit. So, yeah, I mean, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. $4.16, literally no movement at all on River. Obviously, I've still got those positions waiting for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you can see price is, well, there's a lot of consolidation there. Look at that, so much consolidation. Ethereum as well, same thing, loads of consolidation. Question is now, are we expecting to see a deeper downside potentially, or are we gonna maybe push back up and then come for the downside? Maybe, I'm not sure. Currently, I'm getting mixed vibes. I'm getting mixed vibes. Right, we'll have a look at River. We'll put in a reasonable stop loss in case obviously price does actually shift for the downside suddenly. 3.407. We'll do 3.407. Just there. I don't know why it sometimes kind of just bugs out, but you refresh it and it's fine. There we go, pushing again. So we'll put TP stop loss just there at that low, in case obviously price starts maybe shifting drastically for the downside. But overall, we're not expecting it to. But like I said, it's looking good. It's looking good. Dun, 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 dun. Nearly 500 in profit on that trade there. What do you guys think? Are we gonna... Yesterday we made good money, took like 5 signals off you and all TP. There we go. Mustafa has said it all. Mustafa has said it all. 5-6 signals and all TP. What's better than that? What's better than that? Great group. Honestly, amazing group. Slight rejection there, slight rejection there. Slight rejection though. I don't want to see price coming over obviously to our stop loss. Then I mean that would not be good at all. But I mean yeah, we'll see. Not currently the best price action. Obviously I was expecting much more of a move, but for now we're not really getting too much. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave that trade there for you all. And I'll be back very, very soon. So keep an eye on that, and yeah, we will be back very, very shortly. We have the France versus Spain game at 10 o'clock, so that will be pretty interesting to see. France, I'm thinking France are going to win. Like, France have been dominating. France have been on smoke, especially Mbappe. He's been doing wonders, but yeah, it's been great. It's been a great World Cup so far. Unfortunately, obviously Portugal didn't win. I feel like it's a bit rigged, but whatever. Anyway, I'll be back very shortly. Right, guys, what are we looking like? I'm very slow. Very, very slow. We're up 530, but well, 430 from this massive drop off. Massive drop off. Still in this kind of bearish move though. Where's Bitcoin? Iran says Elon Musk's Starlink infrastructure is a legitimate military target. So what, are they going to blow it up or what? United States President says US attacked Iraq, calling it the wrong country. What? Look at that massive drop off right there. That's actually what happened on our tail trade. Look, 698 down, insane. I mean, today the market conditions have not been too nice to us. They've not been too nice to us at all. Oh my days, really? 340 now? We've slightly touched upon that stop loss. Are we going to be bullish now though? Let's see the upside. Not what I want to see right now. Not what I want to see right now. Honestly, that price right now is killing me. Absolutely killing me. Let's have a look at dollar index. Where is it headed? Still bullish. It's actually still bullish. Surprisingly. It does look like momentum is about to shift. So realistically, we'll most likely see Bitcoin continuing this downside. Yeah, obviously the prices come up, Bitcoin opposite reaction. That's been bullish. 2035. Do we TP or? I mean, we've already hit TP once, so I'm just gonna exit that trade while we still can. While we still can. I'm going to short on Bitcoin and Ethereum, as I believe we'll get a further downside continuation. I'm seeing strong indication we actually are going to continue. Overall structure of the 4-hour time frame as well. We have it took. I can't even speak. Currently, it does look like we've actually failed to come to that liquidity cluster we have at 65k. Plus the move we've initially seen in the hourly time frame as well, massive candle. So ideally I'd expect price to come to at least kind of the mid-range, so about 1830 for Ethereum, and then for Bitcoin I'd be looking to come back within about, I'd say about 63k, 63.5k at least. Because that movement right there is way too big to obviously kind of, you know, leave it as it is. We're already in for the downside though. There is actually more liquidity in the downside as well. There is a much stronger cluster in the downside area. So current levels, well, it's even worse now. Not even worse, even better. Yeah, 63.5k. 63.5k. So Bitcoin 63.5k. Ethereum was 1830. What else have we got? Crude will most likely continue pushing for this upside. That's DXY, sorry. Crude oil. Yeah, that level looks so good. 63.5k. Looks like a very strong level area to come to. Very strong area to come to. Yeah, you can see price is literally just consolidated. else have we got? Sui. Athena. There we go. Somewhat of a movement already, but not too much. Not too much just yet. Not too much just yet. It looks like Athena's testing those highs though. Oh my days. What is this price movement today, honestly? Like, it's literally all over the place. It's pissing me off. I'm not even joking. Like, out of nowhere, we just start pumping. Clearing highs. Nice. Love it. Not a lot of movement though. Ethereum is bearish, but then Bitcoin's bullish. Cool. Yeah, you can see the move was dying off. It was all dying off in this area. And then all of a sudden we just start pumping. But it's coming back down. It's coming bearish again. But still, it's just like out of nowhere we just pump. Like, come on now. How is that 150? Well, there we go. Fantastic. Should I close Teo then now? Let me have a look. I feel like I feel like you can hold it. You can put stop loss at I mean, it's a risky, but you can put a stop loss below these lows. Just below these lows. 195.79. It's a pretty risky level to put a stop loss though. But obviously, if your position isn't that much, then I feel like you can put it at the, below these lows. But overall, I think TP1 is 0.1444. Oh, that's the wrong one. TP1 is 206.4. So 206.4, just about there. So just below this previous low here, this previous high. So just there, you can see 206.4. So just there. I mean, you can go to TP2 if you really want. You can go to TP1, TP2, but it's up to you. Entirely up to you. I mean that that trade is most likely gonna be playing out till tomorrow. Obviously, I'll put a stop loss above that high there. Athena's actually pretty bullish right now, though. I mean, 15-minute time frame. That's the volume area there, and we've actually surpassed it slightly there. Could we see a rejection? I mean, it's somehow there now. TP is at a pretty good level though. Let's have a look. That's the level there. We'll mark those lows where we'll most likely get rejected from anyway. So we've got a low here. We'll put it just there. There. And then this one here. That's literally on the TP. Bruh. I mean, I expect... Yeah, that's a reasonable area though. Might take a bit of time though. It might take a bit of time. Yeah, that's a good stop loss as well. Not bad. Yeah, we can leave that trade there. Bitcoin looks like it's transitioned for the upside. Transitioned. We'll most likely be bullish with everything else as well then. If we're coming to reclaim this high, then we could most likely come in for a long on, for example, like Pudgy Penguins and Sui. I don't know, difficult. No problem. I reckon we could come in maybe at like 7549, something like that. Well, that's if we do see the rejection though, but I don't know. I mean, for all we know, we could still see price just pushing continuously. We are slightly bearish right now. Slightly bearish. Now it kind of starts moving. Nice. Let's see it. Let's see this drop. I mean, Bitcoin's bearish right now, and momentum has just shifted slightly for the downside. We're still pushing. We're still somehow pushing. Honestly, the movement right now is non-existent. Movement right now is absolutely non-existent. Trying to kind of look where, I don't know, kind of analyze anything, but right now it's just, there's nothing. There is nothing going on. What other news did we have for today? BOE Gov Bailey speaks, but then I mean, that's for GBP. I mean, we're not going to see anything for GBP, obviously involving, well, the US market. So as a whole, from that, I'm not expecting to see anything from Gov Bailey or whatever his name is. Let's see this downside. Honestly, this price action right now is. If I could say the word, I would, but I can't. I can't. It begins with an. Begins with an R. That's all I can say. Really? Really? Start pumping. We just start pumping out of nowhere. It's like we're hovering from 50, from 5 to 4. But those obviously, that's just only just like, what, 2 trade or 4 trades actually. 4 positions. That's like each trade being down 100. I mean, 100 is not really much when you actually think about it. Price wise, like movement wise, you can obviously expect to see a slight, I don't know, rejection, fake out, and then a continuation, but anything kind of goes, but yeah, right now it's still yet to be seen this downside. Very slow price action though. And then Sui just decides to teleport right up there. Insane. It's just Sui again, literally. I thought I would get rejected from these highs and then, you know, continue for the downside, but clearly not. Clearly not. Bitcoin's seen the downside slightly. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Athena. Yeah, this is the kind of movement I was expecting for Athena to come to. You can see it's been in a nice downtrend. Now it's slightly broken outside of it, but I don't think it's still yet enough to obviously count this out as a real move. Yes, sir. 1 hour till France and Spain. Yes. 1 hour till France and Spain. Right, we're down only 300 now. Before it was like what? Something crazy, but right now we're looking a lot better. We're looking a lot better. Well, I won't say a lot better, but semi better. I'm not liking that movement for Athena though. Oh my days. It's just Sue without a stop. No, it's got a stop loss, but then there's no TP. Let's come to there. Look at that area. That area looks good though. Still down about 400 though. Still down about 400. Are we gonna push to maybe? I mean, Bitcoin just came back to that level. Looks like we might be in for an uptrend. Potentially. 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 Is Athena still pushing? Well, I mean, that would be good, wouldn't it? I feel like it's all. I feel like it's too much outside that zone for us to not come in for the upside. US launches additional strikes against Iranian targets. That was 10 minutes ago. I don't know. Looks a bit cooked right now. Looks a bit cooked right now. I mean, we just started dumping, like it's just random moves out of nowhere. What's just happened? Boom, President Trump just posted a powerful update on Iran. 1,000 missiles are locked and loaded. The Strait of Hormuz is open to all ships except Iran, and full blockade is in effect. Oil is flowing like never before, thanks to the awesome power of the United States military. A special salute to Secretary of War P. Hegseth, Chairman of the Joint Chief of Staff Dan Kane, and Commander of the United States Central Command Admiral Brad Cooper. Because of them and all the members of the most powerful military anywhere in the world, by far the Strait of Hormuz is open to all ship traffic except for Iran. And that is because of their lying, violent, malicious leadership, which is taking them down the path of total destruction. We will therefore have a full blockade, but only on ships coming to and from Iranian ports or carrying anything have to do with Iranian cargo. Based on a highly productive conversation with the Middle East leadership, I have decided to replace 20% United States reimbursement fee with trade and investment deals that the various Gulf states will be making into the United States. Those investments will be massive, but at the same time, and then it just cuts out. Sui is still bullish. For some reason, Stewie is still bullish. Yeah, other than that, there's not really too much. All it just says is Iran will no longer have a nuclear weapon, and that's kind of the main topic that's being said. News-wise, we've not really got too much going on. Not really got too much going on right now. Everyone drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Want to get to 250 by the end of the session. Looking to get to 250 by the end of the session today.
But it's really big news. It's really big news. It's really, really big news. And our country has to shape up. But that's what we're going to be talking about Thursday is it doesn't get bigger, because without free and fair elections, you don't have a country. We'll be discussing other things too, but it's going to be a very big announcement. Yeah. It's really.
Why he scrapped plans for the U.S. to charge a 20% fee to keep the Strait of Hormuz open. He said he doesn't fully agree with the concept of any country charging a fee for freedom of navigation, but he said the U.S. does need to be reimbursed for its efforts that the globe is benefiting from. And he said, after speaking with the leaders of Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, and Bahrain, they proposed an alternative. He posted, quote, "Based on highly productive conversations with Middle East leadership, I've decided to replace the 20% United States reimbursement fee with trade and investment deals that the various Gulf states will be making into the United States. Those investments will be massive, but at the same time, extraordinarily good for them and their future." Now, at 4 o'clock today, this U.S. naval blockade will go back into place. But just yesterday, according to S&P Global Mint, a number of Iran-linked ships transited the strait, including 5 container ships, 3 bulk carriers, 2 product tankers, 2 cargo ships, 1 LPG tanker, and 4 other miscellaneous support craft. They say that only 2 of the ships were assessed as compliant. And since the MOU was signed in mid-June, an estimated 82.5 million barrels of Iranian crude have gotten through the strait. But President Trump just told me he does not regret giving Iran this opening.
Do you have any regrets about lifting the naval blockade or giving the sanctions waivers?
No, I gave them a chance. I wanted to give them a chance at making a deal. You know, we had a deal 2 days ago. It was done. And then all of a sudden, they couldn't do it. They didn't like something about the deal. They couldn't do it. And they shot first, and that was a big mistake that they shot first, because we have been knocking the hell out of them.
So right now, the president is in a private lunch with the new Iraqi prime minister, talking about plans to disarm Iran-linked militia groups in that country, among other things, in order to stay on course for U.S. forces to withdraw from the region by September 30th. Sandra.
Got it. Jackie Heinrich live at the White House for us. Thank you.
Well, that's that. I mean, like I said, news-wise, not really got anything going on. There is a ton of liquidity at 63.5k now. An absolute gigantic amount of liquidity at 63.5k. That's what we got TP as for that trade on Bitcoin. So yeah, we are still looking for the downside, of course. We are looking for the downside. Yeah, it's going to take some time for obviously these trades to play out, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But we'll see how they play out. We'll see how they play out. There we go, 260. We're seeing some movement. Bitcoin's within profit. Finally. But then it's literally just kind of dancing on that same level. Not much movement for Ethereum. Yeah, we want to realistically clear that low there. Clear that low there. Honestly, price is literally not even moving. Price is literally not even moving. I mean, initially we're seeing a rejection from 60, just under 65k, but then there's been, a slow move for the downside. But then again, honestly, the price right now is just so incredibly slow. There's literally no movement at all right now. No movement at all. Honestly, right now, no price action. For no price action at all. I mean, overall, I'm still expecting obviously for Bitcoin and Ethereum to be coming for this downside. Like I say, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time. Currently, I feel like we've kind of covered everything we can from obviously Bitcoin, where the market is at, where we've got liquidity. What we've seen, obviously, we had the market overview today. If you guys haven't seen that already, then definitely check that out. Definitely important to know what's going on. If you guys have any questions, obviously, do feel free to let me know as well. I don't bite. I don't bite. Still waiting for this downside to continue. Still waiting to see this downside. Yeah, price action is honestly insanely slow. Insanely slow. Is this the move I was waiting for? Maybe, maybe. Obviously, we are pump fund. We've got a signal for pump fund sell. Pump fund sell. Entry is 1409, 138. We'll come in for a year. And I'll go TP2. 13144. So those are currently all the positions we've got on. We've actually not even been getting signals much as well, because market right now is not really seeing much movement. Not seeing much movement at all. We've pretty much covered everything, literally, like news-wise as well. Not really got anything going on. But I am long because Bitcoin TP at 65,480, stop loss at 64.08. Waits for a quick scalp. I mean, maybe. I mean, that is definitely something we could see. I'm not gonna lie, we could definitely see that happening. But right now, this, I mean, yeah, I mean, it's definitely doable. 63.5k is kind of what we're aiming for right now, though. But like you say, yeah, 65 0.5 is doable. We could realistically even close that for now. The high we've got is, we can actually put TP about there though. That's 66k. I don't think we're going to reach that today at all. So yeah, overall, I feel like I need to maybe put my TP's stop losses a little bit higher, as we could expect to see them, those moves actually happening, but we will most likely see, yeah, definitely a scalp, maybe a move back up to 65, 65.5. Definitely doable. I was actually looking for that price previously, 65k. We kind of failed for it, as you can see, failed for 65k. But there is actually a massive amount of liquidity down in the lower area, so 63.5k, massive amount of liquidity there. Very hot zone, very hot zone. For perps, that is. For spot, you've got 60.5k. So that's kind of a wall that you've got at 60.5k. So I don't think we're actually going to get price moving lower than 60.5k anytime soon, unless we get maybe some kind of, I don't know, maybe conflict, outflows, and everything just turns like bad in general. Then yeah, maybe we will see that downside. But for now we're looking good. Not really expecting to see too much for this downside right now. What do you guys think? Are we coming to 65k, or are we going to be dropping even lower? Let me know. Click them buttons. Click that poll. I've got a poll there for you guys. Yes or no? I mean, 75% of you think we're actually going to move to 65k. Yeah, 8 votes, 65k. So 6 of you think we're going to go to 65k, whilst 2 of you think we're not going to go to 65k. I mean, for now, we're not looking too bad, but also obviously not too good. I'm kind of in the middle. I mean, overall, we're still, you know, in this consolidation phase, so yeah, I'm just waiting to see this downside continue. Honestly, price is literally not even moving. Look at that, just pure consolidation. What? I mean, it's been like nearly the whole session has been just consolidating. Look at that, pure consolidation. First 65, then 6350. I mean, I'm not gonna say no, because that is very. It's a very reasonable level we could see price coming to. I'm not gonna lie. 65, then 63.5. Definitely. Honestly, guys, it's very slow today. Very slow. Like, especially in this area, just pure consolidation. Like, we've not seen any price action at all. I mean, we might be making those lower highs slowly, but overall, we're not really seeing much movement at all. I'm not gonna lie. Not much movement at all. Whoa. We started absolutely dumping. Right, guys, I reckon I'm gonna have to hop off. Honestly, we're not seeing any movement whatsoever. I want to get 3 more subscribers, then we can call it. Then we can call it. But yeah, right now, obviously, not really much going on. Like, price-wise, yeah, I mean, it's kind of cooked. 4-hour time frame, what we're looking like. So these are currently the levels that we have. This is what we're expecting to see. We could either see a move, obviously, towards the upside to, let's say, 65k, 65.5k, and then a drawdown. And then, ideally, we would want to see a move to kind of that 60k level, and then start pushing back up towards about 67k plus. We've got buy side liquidity there, buy side liquidity there. So if we start obviously clearing these highs, then we could potentially even, you know, continue even further towards the upside. But for now, well, even if we now started coming bullish, we could move all the way up. Sweep this liquidity in here that we have, that buy side, and then potentially continue even higher. But of course, like always, a big aspect is the geopolitical side. Are we going to get any conflict? I think it's going to get worse. Our ETF flow is going to maintain, you know, a steady pace. Maybe not. Maybe not. But yeah, it's a constant back and forth. It's a constant back and forth. Right, guys. Honestly, I reckon that's it. We're not seeing any movement at all right now, so I reckon that's it for today's session. Obviously, I appreciate every single one of you for joining, for tuning in, but yeah, right now we're not seeing any movement at all. Like, the market is just consolidating. The price is literally just, we're not seeing anything at all. So we'll call it. I believe I will be making a Discord soon, so obviously you guys will be able to join, give your points, give your ideas, you know, kind of trade info with each other and so on. But yeah, tune in, guys, to tomorrow's session. I will be looking to go live earlier, so yeah, you too, Mustafa, you too, brother. So yeah, everyone enjoy the game, enjoy your evening. I mean, we had a nice session, but we took some losses. But right now, I mean, we're not seeing anything. So yeah, we'll call it a day. We'll come back tomorrow, and then we'll see how we can profit wise tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow in session. So I'll be looking to come out like 6 a.m. Eastern time, 7 a.m. Eastern time, something along those lines. But yeah, right now, no movement for the past like hour plus. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a nice evening.